folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I want to show you this beautiful 2008 Yamaha V-Star 1100. This bike is just in excellent condition. Got dual front disc brakes, wire rims, good tires front and rear. It's got a kind of a wide front end on it. It's just in beautiful condition. The two-tone paint, the blue and silver paint, is just perfect. All the chrome looks good on it. Didn't see any corrosion, scuffs, or scratches. It is a soft-tail bike. It's almost 1100 cc's. It's got a 5-speed transmission. It's a shaft drive bike. You can see all the nuts and bolts and everything on this bike looks real good. Doesn't look like there's any kind of corrosion, or doesn't look like anything's been gone into. Got a forward mount controls on it, so it makes it very, very comfortable to ride. Nice two-piece seat set up on this bike. You can ride two up, or you can pop this back seat off and make a really slick looking solo bike out of it if you'd like. Looks like the factory exhaust on this bike. It's pretty quiet. This is carbureted. Let's fire it off and see what it sounds like. Real good tire on the rear as well. Bike's only got 8,560 miles on it. Just in perfect condition. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike's been through our service department and checked out. It's got a clean bill of health. It's ready to ride. Got some good warranty options on it. Qualifies for some good financing too. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this beautiful V-Star 1100 to you. So give us a call toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino, American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.